Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Does your Savage B22 or B17 have trouble picking up a round like what I have here simulated, in which the bolt is riding on top of the round and not picking one up? That is a problem I had with my rifle, and I got a quick fix for it. Well, not really quick, but it is a permanent fix. Before I go further, I just want to mention that I do have a website. The link is right here. I have a bunch of goodies for sale, and that's how I keep my website and everything running. I don't do Patreon and I don't sell ads. Alright, let's get to the fix. If we take a look at the bolt, you would notice that there is this channel of metal right here, and that is what rides along the channel you see here on the magazine. So this is how the bolt picks up the round, just by going through this slot and pushing the back of the round forward like that. So the problem with the design, at least with my rifle, is that the magazine, when it's inserted inside the mag well, it tends to sit a little bit cockeyed. I don't know why Savage designed it that way. It just seems to me that the magazine is far too loose when it goes inside the mag well. So here is the fix. What I did here is I drilled and tapped on this trigger housing. It's made of aluminum, so it's quite easy to drill and tap, and I put a number 6 button head screw inside, and what I did is I filed the head until I got just the right amount of material in which my magazine will go in and click. And the way this works is that without this screw that I added, my magazine tends to sit a little bit cockeyed this way. And the problem with that is that the bolt cannot feed through, cannot reach the back of the round, and a lot of times it would not pick one up. So by adding material, which in my case is a bolt head, what I did is the magazine went from being cockeyed like this to a little bit more straight. And that's just enough for the head of the bolt face right here on the bottom, to pick up a round reliably. Now, drilling and tapping on this part here, it doesn't require you to be a professional gunsmith. However, I do recommend that this should not be your first time drilling and tapping a hole inside a piece of aluminum. It is a little tricky, and I'm not going to show you how to do it, because if you need me to show you how to drill and tap, you probably don't want to be the one doing this. Perhaps give it to somebody you know how to. But the thing is that when I first drilled and tapped and put this number 6 screw in, the screw head is actually too large, and the magazine won't go in and seat. Like the catch right here won't click. Right here won't click with this portion right there. And I had to slowly file down the head of the screw until everything clicks in reliably. So that's just one thing to note. I didn't have to take out too much. I think right now my thickness is probably 2 millimeters. Right. I still have enough hex engagement on the screw to install it. But nonetheless, this is my fix and has been working reliably ever since. Thank you everybody. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to check out my website.